Welcome to ATK Kids, where we ask and answer some of the most delicious food questions kids have, like, what makes whipped cream so fluffy? Our answer starts with the heavy cream itself, which is made up of a lot of fat. In fact, it's 36 to 40% fat. The rest is just water, protein, sugars, and minerals. The only real difference between liquid heavy cream and a whipped heavy cream is air. The scientific secret to fluffiness works like this. When you mix whipping cream by hand or with an electric mixer, you are creating lots of tiny air bubbles. As more and more bubbles form, held in place by the fat in the cream, the lighter and the fluffier your whipped cream becomes. Okay, that's super awesome, but did you know? Keeping things cold is the key to the fluffiest whipped cream. Because fat in the heavy cream is firmer and more solid when it's cold, it can support even more trapped air bubbles, giving you even fluffier results than if you used room temperature cream. Whoa, that's one cool tip. Mind officially blown. See you next time. Want more fun food science? Check out the complete cookbook for young scientists by America's Test Kitchen Kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more from ATK Kids.